A sum of money doubles itself in 10 years at simple interest. In how many years would it triple itself? So here basically you are putting a certain sum of money, let's say P, at simple interest. So you are getting simple interest per annum, and at the end of 10 years this amount becomes 2p, that is, it doubles itself in 10 years. And we have to find in how many years would it become 3 times itself. So this is x years. Now for the first 10 years basically you are getting an interest at the rate of r% per annum. Same is for the first year, same is for the second year. You will get r% per annum. Same for third year and so on. So basically whatever interest you are getting for the first year is the same that you are getting for the second year, is the same that you will be getting for the third year, and so on. And it will continue for X number of years as well. So the interest that you obtained in the first 10 years is giving you an amount which is equal to 2 times the principal. So basically the simple interest in the first 10 years is equal to the principal amount. Now with this logic that the interest remains the same for each year, and for the first 10 years the interest obtained will be the same as the interest obtained for the remaining 10 years. So for the remaining 10 years you will get simple interest which is equal to the principal amount. So in the 10 years after the first 10 years and another 10 years, your principal amount will become 3 times itself. So basically at the end of 20 years the principal amount will triple itself. Now let's look at another way of obtaining this answer. So we know that simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by the rate multiplied by the time divided by 100. Now in the first case we have been given that in 10 years the principal amount doubles itself. What that means that at the end of 10 years you are getting an amount which is simple interest plus the principal, and the simple interest is equal to the principal because that is when it will double itself. So simple interest is the same as the principal, and this is equal to principal multiplied by the rate which is unknown multiplied by the time frame which is 10 years divided by 100. So here P will get cancelled with P, and this 10 will get cancelled with this 0. So or R is equal to, so we'll put R on one side and this we'll take on the other side. So R is equal to 10%. Now in the second scenario the simple interest will be equal to twice the principal amount, because at the end of X years we want the principal to triple itself. So it will be P plus 2P. So 2P is the simple interest. So simple interest again is equal to PRT by 100. So simple interest is 2 times P, which is equal to P multiplied by R, which is 10% because that is the rate which is ongoing. So 10 multiplied by T, which is unknown, divided by 100. So this P gets cancelled with this P, this gets cancelled with this. Now let's put t on one side and bring 10 on the other side. So t is equal to 10 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 20 years. And this is what we had obtained here without using the formula.